Hi guys, welcome to my 2.1.11, which is remove prefix method class. It is subtopic of the string methods and in general string topics. So okay, what it means to remove prefix. It is a good way we using that when we want to remove the prefix into our strings or even if the list with the loops. All right, so I just want to show you with the first with the string and after that with the list how it works. How we doing that? Let's get started. So let's say, yep, stop it. Come back to the here. All right. Let's say we have a text again, and I don't know. Let's say my name is Ahmed. In this case, I'll write my name, and I just want to delete my from there. We can change with the replace my to another thing, but in this case, we want to remove that. We can use also else strip method, but else strip method is not good. I will tell you about that in the soon. I mean, like after some minute. So let's get started. Let's say you want to remove that. We can just say new text, and we can just apply here text dot remove prefix. We have also removed suffix. We will use that in another class. Next class will be able to remove suffix. So now what I want to delete from here, I want to delete my, right? That's all. We can just delete like that. We can say print and then new text, then run it. Name is Mohammed. Can you see that there? There we go. That's all. We can just delete like that. Even if I put there a space, it will just will tag this white space from here as I pointed there, blue. Right. Now you can see no blue there. That's all. We can just remove our prefix like that. Okay, with the remove prefix one. Even if we didn't use that, the normally guys is just using different methods. For example, they are just saying like if, for example, text, and then by the way, not off, they are just saying text, and then you're just going step by step with the start with first. You're just saying start with, and just you putting your value there, for example, my with that one, and after that, the another case will be coming in it. You're just saying new one. Let's apply for the new one. I mean, or we can just say text again, and we can just remove that one with this way. We can just not string text, and then we can use len method length, because first we need to check length of this um, length of this my with the space. So then we can just put there the slices, which is it's just deleting the first part from here. I mean, we're just doing length of that is 3, for example, and we're just saying remove 3 items with the slicing method in here in the list, because we first with the start with changing it like to a list, and after that we just saying slice it like remove these 3 items, I mean that one in here from our string. So what if I run that? What will happen? What do you think? So if you do that, what will happen? Let's delete this one. So I mean comment it. Nothing will be there because we didn't add any print there. So what if we say print in general? Let's say text. Let's apply that and see what will happen. Name is Mohammed. This is old version, old way to do it, okay? But in new way, we can use just text dot remove prefix. Remove prefix helping us to didn't write a lot of codes like that, okay? So we don't need to use starts with there or even lang method or the slicing or anything else, okay? Just use remove prefix and just run from this problem. That's all guys for about this. Even you can use in the list, let's say uh, my my what? My fruits, let's say fruits. And you can just say in the list like lemon, and you can say apple, and you can say orange, and you can say I don't know orange and banana, something like that. Let's say my banana, my orange, and my apple, and my lemon, for example. So now I can apply another way to delete it. How we can do that? That's the question, and I will give you answer. So first I can say new fruits. Let's say new fruits. And then I can open this list and just gonna do that in the steps. We can say the items in the list and dot, we can put dot and we can say remove prefix like that. Okay. Um, I think we can use that not with the I maybe. Let's say F. Yeah. And then we can say remove prefix like that. And then we can just put there my and empty space. And then we can continue with the T, sorry, for T in what? In my fruits. Like that. Right. That's the case. Now you'll say, where is this T? I mean, so the T is looking there like alone. So after we do that, we can just check like what's going on here. Like F is not defined. Yeah, of course, F will not be defined there. By the way, F is in here. Yeah, sorry, not T. So now when you run that, you will see what I mean. It will delete in iteration that one. So how we will do that? When you run that, lemon, apple, orange, banana. Look, my fruits was like my lemon, my apple, my orange, my banana. And we just applied an iteration, which is we created their for loop. Like we just taught the like for loop, hey, check each of the items. If you see their my with the like white space like that, just remove them with the remove prefix method in steps, and F is the check, like F is the representing each item into that. We just dipped into that with F item, and after that we just say hey, delete each of the item which is relevant to F, like remove prefix like fruit, each of the fruit, they remove this my and white space like that, and it just deleted everything from there. All right, this is the way how we deleting this guys in efficient way. As you can see here, everything here, lemon, apple, orange, banana. Like, yep. So cool. I hope you understand what we did in here, right? That's the way how we're working with remove prefix. The next lesson will be able to remove suffix, nothing different, everything same. I will just give you some example just to make you sure about that. Okay, see you in another class. Thank you for your watch.